Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you to the journey of how we detail this Porsche GT3 RS. This car came to the shop. It has a clear film through the whole car, and I'm going to take you to the whole process, which products that we use and how we did the application. So let me flip this thing around and I'll take you to this car right now. So we're here at the shop and let's go over this GT3 RS. Turn these lights on and there you have it. This thing came out phenomenal. So this particular car came with a clear film. The entire car has a film. This is the brand. And I did a search on the brand and trying to learn a little bit about that product. So what I did with this car, I washed the car, then we apply the Turbo Wax Sweat Remover Pro X with a black foam pad, a very light polishing to get the clear paper back to life. It had a lot of water spots and a lot of swirls, although the clear paper should not allow this to happen. So we did that with the machine, very low speed, and then after that we went behind it with the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0 ceramic coating, and there you see it. So we did the plastic trim with the coating, all of the black pieces, and then we did the wheels, and these are matte wheels. We did the calipers. So we cleaned them real well first with the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe. Then we went with the prep oil, took all the grease and oils from the surface, and then we sprayed the wheels and the calipers. And you will see a short video of the spraying, and we wanted to film that so you can see the amount of fumes that this will generate when you do it with the airbrush. So make sure that you have the proper mask. We did here the plastic right here, and then what we did after we had let it dry for 2 days, we went and topped it off with the Turbo Wax Paint Sealant Extreme. The glass we polish with the Sweat Remover Pro X with a foam pad, very slow speed, and then we finish it with the waterless multi, and the same procedure for the roof right here. Okay, the spoiler, it doesn't have a clear paper on, so we polished the whole thing, and here's the result. She looks stunning. Okay, the tail lights we polished with the sweat remover, and we coated all of them. The plastic we coated, and then on the inside the door jambs we did with the Quick Detailer Plus. All the rubber seals and all the interior rubber, we put the Turbo Wax LVR. Came out great. So there you have it, the GT3 RS, fully detailed using all the products from Turbo Wax. From the foam shampoo, ceramic shampoo, to the Quick Detailer Plus, to the paint sealant, to the ceramic boosted, to the waterless, and the LVR. So as you can see, we have the entire line to do this type of work. So check us online, turbowax.com, Instagram turbowax, and like us, subscribe to our channel, let us know how we're doing, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.